Livy and Taz, and welcome to our channel. We want to bring you along on this mini series with us. We are doing the Mae Hong Son Loop. We're going to take you with us. It's over 570 kilometers over the next 5 days. We have more than 4,000 curves to do, and we are so excited. So you should subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can follow us along, and come and join us where we have so much fun. This is our first ever road trip on a motorbike. So we are buzzed, we are excited, we can't wait. Come with. Good morning. It is day 2 in a very actually sunny Pai, which we are very pleased about. We woke up this morning and it was freezing. It was so cold, wasn't it?
It was
but
cold. It still is. It's still a bit fresh.
While the sun is out, it's going to be a good day. We have so many activities planned today. We're going to do a little sightseeing tour of Pai. We have one more day here, and tomorrow we are leaving to go further on the Mae Hong Son Loop. So we are super excited.
If you guys haven't seen our first vlog yesterday about Pai, we would suggest that you go and watch it. It's a good little intro into Pai life and what Pai's got to offer. Give you a little intro about things that you can do in Pai.
How to get here. Definitely.
So, give it a go. Give it a little watch if you guys are planning on coming down here. Pai is amazing so far. We've absolutely loved it. Let's go and get the show started, people. Let's do it.
Let's do this. Today is Santichon Village. It used to be super popular with tourists, and obviously they've managed to make it kind of what it is today thanks to the upturn in Pai and the tourist market there. But it is pretty empty today. Come see, we'll show you around. We've read that there used to be like some pony rides, Ferris wheels, things like that, but it doesn't look like much of that is here today. But
that's right.
Come with.
Let's see what it is. You're going to learn from the best then, aren't you? Because you'll see how good I am at this. Like, I'll put flipping Robin Hood to shame. Robin Hood ain't got nothing on me.
We're doing 50 baht for 6 arrows.
Look at this.
Wow, that is huge. They know exactly where their next food's coming from. Oh, oolong tea.
In like little traditional Chinese cups. These are so cool. Of course.
Ooh, that is really nice.
That's what we're having right now. Is that this one?
Yeah, oolong.
Oh, very nice. So we're doing tea vlogs right now. First, a good round at archery, not once, twice. Smashed it. Then we're having some Chinese tea here, sampling some oolong tea and some Nankan tea. Nankan was really good. Really enjoyed that one. So yes, when you're down here.
The second one, Nankan. That was good. Really good. Yeah, if you're down here, you have to try the tea because this area is famous for its tea plantations. So.
Gotta be done.
Yeah.
Gotta be done.
Okay, sorry. So we have spent the last hour at Santichon Village. It's such a cute little traditional village. Everyone's really friendly there. It was really nice. We enjoyed our time. We just wandered around, chilled out, had a quick look at everything, and now we're gonna head on to our next stop. Pai Tour Part 2, Day 2. cutest little stop. We have come to Coffee and Love. Da, 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 da. We've just pulled up. We're gonna go and get a little drink. It's got a really nice view. This is so cute.
Banana coffee frappe.
Ooh.
Hi, how are you? Oh, banana coffee
This is
frappe.
cute.
Italian soda or a frappe or a tea or a coffee, what do you want? Would you like, oh, what cakes have you
Is
got?
there cake? Oh.
Yes, we like cakes.
We love cake.
Can we get a blueberry cheesecake, please?
Yum. This looks really good. And this is the cutest little cafe. Got our cheesecake and we're gonna go head over here. We have come to Coffee and Love and we got a banana frappe and I got a Thai iced tea because I love them.
You've missed it, haven't you?
I've missed them. Do you know, when we've come to Chiang Mai, I love Chiang Mai, don't get me wrong, but the iced teas are not, they don't taste the same. I don't prefer them. I prefer the ones in Phuket, but this one is amazing. It's really, really good. And we got a blueberry cheesecake. Look, I've already taken a spoonful. This
That
is
is so
blueberry.
Well, go for it. Let us know what you think.
Oh.
Hit the right spot.
Oh my gosh, that might actually be the best cheesecake I've ever had. I'm not even lying.
Yeah. But the view here, wow, this is so beautiful.
So we are on to the next location. We've finished at Coffee and Love. We spent a few hours. It was so much fun. And now we're on to the next one. This road is a little bit, not sketchy, but you just have to avoid the potholes. It's a bit patchy, let me show you. So we have arrived at our destination. We have heard about this bridge. I'm impressed if it's a bamboo bridge, it's quite cool. But I think it's more like it's been built as a tourist attraction to bring some people to the area, to bring some revenue to the area, to the locals who run it and who obviously have been contributing towards the bridge. So yeah, we're gonna go and walk it. We're gonna see, there's supposed to be some rice paddies, and I believe like if you come in the summer, everything is like really lush green.
Do you know what that is? That's a swing. It's a bamboo swing and it's calling a name. You know what you have to do? Go for it. This entire area looks so beautiful. It's so peaceful down here. It's nothing but farms, rice paddies, just fields. Literally it's away from all of the noise and everything. It is so calm down here. And it looks extra impressive because of the fact that it's nestled between all of these hills and mountains. Welcome. We're about to get on the bamboo bridge. Okay, so I'm about to set foot on the bamboo bridge. A bit rickety when you step on it. But as I was saying, that'd be alright. I only weigh 10 stone. Big one's behind me, different story. So that is
the buffalo cart there.
There's like a bit of like giving it
A
when
bounce.
you walk on it. Yeah, it's like it adjusts to your
There's some
weight. Yours
bounce in
sinks
this.
right there. Mine just glides.
Wow, can't believe I'm walking over a bamboo bridge. Probably used to be a little bar or a restaurant area, cafe. You could like stop, get something to eat, probably a drink. No more. Coffee, that's closed as well. More swings there. Oh, let's go to that swing. What does that say? Does that say welcome to Bamboo Bridge? It is so nice being here. The feeling is so good, so peaceful. And we've got a mate here. We've got a friend. Roger. Roger, where you going, mate? Come back. Roger ain't got no time for this. He's too busy looking for food. Got another mate here. Ben. Got a massive swing here. Where's the lip star? There she is. Pal.
It's so cool.
It is, isn't it?
I love it. Look, ready?
Yeah.
Look! They're all coming up.
Oh, they're all coming up now.
They're like, yo, you guys, food.
Oh, there we go. It's always such a satisfying feeling after you feed fish. Like the minute the fish food hits the water, it's all gone. Some lanterns, lights and things. We've easily spent like an hour and a half, probably getting close to like 2 hours down here. Didn't even realise how quickly time's gone by because again, as I was saying earlier when we got here, the feeling that you get is so peaceful. There's like buffaloes running around, it's rice paddies, there's no noise of the traffic. It is literally so tranquil, so peaceful, love it. Race against time, we're on our way back to the bike and we will try and get to a sunset viewpoint. So we were thinking if we'd be able to make it to a sunset viewpoint before the sun goes down. Here we go, we have done it, but we've done it. Where's the sun? There's the sun. Time right now, 6:15. Sun literally went down yesterday at 5 past. This is beautiful.
We've just watched the sun go down at Pai Canyon again. It is such a beautiful place to come and see sunset. We like literally love it. And it's free entrance as well, which is obviously always beneficial. But yeah, we've just sat and chilled. We have a can of Coke, didn't we? A nice romantic can of Coke.
Time to move on tomorrow. It's going to be a new destination and we'll take you guys with us. Obviously, we're planning on having an early start, but we'll see how it goes. If you guys have enjoyed the vlog today, you know what you need to do. You know what the deal is. Get the word out, guys. Share, like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Smash the shiz out of it. And we will see you in the next one.